What's up, Daily Doodlers? I hope you're all having a great day today. If not, then you're in luck, because today we are doing another Disney character as a certain occupation thing. Today we are doing another Disney character as modern workers challenge thing. That was better than the last attempt. So I have got my Disney character generator pulled up here, and also an ad keeps wanting to pop up. Sorry about that. And I am going to generate a random Disney character, and then I am going to go over to my other website and generate a random job occupation. So let's start with the Disney character. And we have Wendy from Peter Pan. Yes, okay. I haven't seen Peter Pan in years. That is really sad to think about. I need to watch Peter Pan. All right, now that I have switched over to my random job / occupation generate. Alright, now that I've switched over to my random job / occupation generator, we are going to find out what it is Wendy decides to become when she grows up. So let's see. I'm excited. A childcare worker. That actually makes complete 100% sense. This fits together so well, unlike my last episode, unlike the last time I did this, where I got Pinocchio as a gravedigger. This would actually make sense. I can work with this. I can do this. So while searching for reference images of Wendy, I found this photoshopped image of, it's just a picture of Wendy from the second movie, A Neverland Returns, and so it's Wendy as an adult, but somebody's photoshopped in a dust mask, and there's like a lot of these, and just why though? Okie dokie, I've gathered up my reference images here, and I am ready to get started. I did get a picture of Wendy as a kid, but I did also get a picture of her as an adult, because as I was searching for reference images, I remembered that in the second Peter Pan, they show her as an adult, so I don't really have to design her. I just have to do what Disney did. And I guess I'm going to get started figuring out how exactly I want it to look. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so originally, the first thing that came to my mind was something super obvious like this, where Wendy is sitting on a chair, all of the children are gathered around her, one is sitting on her lap, and she's telling them a story. It's a pretty obvious, something. It's kind of the first thing you think of when you think of Wendy, is you think of, her telling stories. That's the whole thing she did. That's why Peter liked her so much, because she told stories. So that's kind of an obvious thing, and it didn't really settle with me, because the point of this whole, thing is to get me to go out of my comfort zone, to get me to draw things that I wouldn't normally draw, and to get better at mixing characters and scenery. Because I'm okay at scenery. I'm getting fairly good at characters. Now I just need to practice mushing them together into a comprehensive and natural-looking scene, so that, that has action and has detail, and so yeah. So that's, sort of the challenge that I want to go for, and this didn't really do that, because I'm like, okay, yeah, sure, they're all kind of sitting around, the only object they're really interacting with is each other and a chair, and then there'll probably be some other things, strewn about in the background. And I was like, I don't really want that, and plus this is super, super obvious. This is like the easy way out, I guess you could say. And so I came up with another idea, and instead decided to do something like this, where Wendy is having a hard time controlling the kids. So this is probably going to be Peter Pan right here, and this is right here is probably going to be like Captain Hook. So yeah, these are all going to be like kid versions of people, of the characters in the movie, like more so than they already are, because Peter Pan's a kid, he's going to be more of like a toddler. Anyways, and then this over here is she's playing with glitter, so this is going to be Tinkerbell. I want to add some more characters to the scene, so I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be, like who I'm going to be. I don't know who this is going to be, or this, maybe some of the Lost Boys, maybe some of the pirates, I'm not sure, but I'll figure it out, and I think this is what I'm going to go to, maybe add a few more characters, and yeah, I'm really excited about this, so let's get going. Alright guys, so we are going to jump right into the speed art portion of this, and the characters that I added, that I didn't mention before, were the two twins from the Lost Boys, Tiger Lily from the Indians, one of the pirates, he didn't have a specific name, and also the crocodile. And the pirate that I chose was, it probably should have been Mr. Smee, but I decided on doing a different pirate because I really liked the idea of like this big rough and tough muscular pirate being transformed into this little tiny baby. I don't know why, I just really liked that idea, and so that's what I did. Mr. Smee isn't exactly a big rough and tough guy, so I couldn't really use him, so I used a different one. As for the alligator, as you can see, he is holding a pair of scissors, and well, that's because he's an alligator. I don't know what he plans to do with those scissors. Hopefully he's not planning on cutting off the kid's hand, but you know, he has them. So there's that. I also thought it would be really cute to have at least some characters in like the foreground that are messing with the camera, so to speak, and that's why I have the twins there. One is like drawing on the camera and the other's like pressing his face up against the glass, and I thought that was a really cute idea. And then there's like Wendy in the background lunging to try to stop them from messing around. I really liked that idea. I also really liked the idea of having Peter Pan as this little like toddler guy and having Captain Hook as kind of like this older kid. He looks a little bit like he could be a bully, but you don't really know what's going on there. Maybe they're fighting over whose hat is the best. And then you have Tinkerbell and Tiger Lily here. Tinkerbell is just putting sparkles all over the place. It is just everywhere, those sparkles, and Tiger Lily's judging her hardcore. I don't know about you, but I've always thought that Tiger Lily seemed kind of snobbish. Maybe it's just because like the first time that you really see her in the cartoon is when she's with Captain Hook, and obviously she's going to be snobbish then because she's angry at the guy for kidnapping him, and she's gonna be like, I'm not going to give you the satisfaction of getting an answer. So maybe that's why I sort of interpret her that way, but she does seem snobbish to me in my opinion, so I put on her shirt, "Too good for you." I thought that fit her personality pretty well. And as I was going through and sort of like fixing some details and stuff that I missed, I realized that I made them playing on a hard floor. I don't know why I did that. It was like a tiled hard floor, and I really don't know why I did that. So I changed it to like this large sort of like blue gradient where it was carpet, and then I put this nice little rainbow mural in the background, and I'm really happy with it. I love the way that it turned out. I hope you do too. I don't want to make these videos like too crazy long or anything like that, so I did speed it up like a ton. But either way, I really hope that you enjoyed and that you liked the result. If you did, please remember to leave a like, and if you happen to be new, please consider subscribing to join my daily doodlers. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!